welcome back to my channel and welcome to the first ever video of Diwalog 2020 series. I am really happy about it. So you guys saw the intro in the beginning. I'm really happy with the outcome, although it took me more than 7 hours to shoot that 17 seconds. But I'm really satisfied with the outcome. And now let's just start this Diwalog with a vlog. So it's morning time right now. So first of all, let me tell you something about this whole Diwalog scenario. So back in October, I wanted to start a 30 days, 30 videos series. But that was not possible because a lot of unexpected things came in. And I just had to stop after, I guess, 4th or 5th video of mine. So I decided that I'll be doing Diwalog this year. And I'm really happy about it. So this year too, we have a lot of unexpected things coming on. Like my exams start from Monday, but we are going to do this Diwalog anyhow. So I don't know if I'll be able to complete the whole 30 videos or not, but I'll be trying. So yeah. Also, you guys saw the intro clip in the beginning. So today's vlog is going to be all about how I prepared for Diwalog, and also I'll be including some clips about how I shot my intro and how long it took me. So before I start with anything else in the morning, you guys know I always have online classes, so we will do that first and then we'll carry on with all the things. Also guys, I have many giveaways for you, and today also I'll be announcing one giveaway. So make sure you stay tuned throughout the video, and it's pretty simple. Rules are pretty simple, just stay tuned. And also I have a lot more giveaways, so make sure you watch the videos and you can win it. Okay you guys, so my online classes are done. So right now I'm just thinking like what my intro would be, like what will be the shots that I'm gonna take for it, because it's really necessary to first frame it in your mind, otherwise it won't turn out really good. So I'm just looking for it. I'm looking for things which I can really incorporate, because I had this plan at the very last moment, so I have to do it with the things which I already have at my home. So I'm just looking for what all things I can use. Okay you guys, it's 4 or 5 hours later. So I was just framing the things in mind, like what should be done. I have planned to do some DIYs, because that's how we can make the whole thing look really good, because now I don't have the time to go and get things, and neither can I order them online because I want to shoot the intro today itself. So I'm gonna do some DIYs. So my mom is going to help me in DIYs because I am not sure, I might mess it up. So I just told her and she's gonna help me out with it. Also, I'm not sure what outfit I'm gonna wear, because as I said, it's a very last minute plan, so I don't have any precise outfit in mind. But I definitely want something really bright and festive, obviously, because it's Diwali. So I'm just looking like what I could wear. If I had known this before, I would have ordered an outfit for sure, which matches the whole idea which I have in my mind. But let's see, I have a lot of Indian wears though, so I'll just need to make the correct combination and we'll be done. So I'll be getting the outfit.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go.
So as I said, we're just preparing. So I told my mom and she's getting me fresh flowers. She also gave me one. Got this bajo. It's for me. I love this small one. Like, look at this, how cute it is. I'm gonna use this for sure in my intro because I loved this one, the color, the design. It's very festive. Okay, you guys, I'm talking to you after much long. Like, I'm gathering everything. I've got sweets, flowers, this bajots, and few diyas, all of this, but still we are just, you know, putting them all together. As I said, I'm also doing DIYs. My room is a total mess right now. Like, you just can't imagine that what all things are going on. So I am still doing the DIY thing. So I'll show you the DIYs in some next video because it will get so long if I incorporate DIYs today. Also, you guys, the DIYs have turned out really good. Hey you guys, it's already 8:30, so I have just been doing the DIYs till now and I'm not even done with them. Like, I have completed some part of the DIYs and they are turning out good, like as I expected. So I'm just happy for that because many times what happens, DIYs don't really turn out how you want it, but this time it's going good, so happy for that. But still I have a lot of things to be done and I think this is going to take so long. So yeah, I'm just doing with the DIYs. Once that is done, after that I'll have to shoot the intro. So that is also again going to take a long because I have to choose the outfit, get ready for that. So yeah. Okay you guys, it's 10:30 and we are finally done with all the DIYs. Now I'll have to set everything on the table which you saw in the intro. Like, I have to set all of those things. My mom is doing that. I just show you, she is doing a lot of things right now because otherwise I would have not completed even one DIY till now. Hi guys, so I am back here directly after the intro is done. So previously you might have seen some clips. That is the thing. It took me so long. It's already 2 and now I need to sleep. Hey you guys, now it's time to announce the giveaway. So here are the products which I'm gonna give away for today. All the rules will be given in the description box below, so make sure you check out the description box and follow all the rules, and I'll be announcing one winner for this giveaway. Also, I'm gonna come up with many more giveaways, so you can participate in multiple of them also. So stay tuned, keep watching and participate. Make sure you're watching the Diwalog videos and also you can participate in the giveaway, just reminding you. And stay tuned, I have a lot more coming on the way. So that was about today's video and I'll be back with another video tomorrow. Hey you guys, finally I'm done with the shoot. I know I was not able to capture many behind the scenes. I actually wanted to, but there was a lot going on, so I was not able to capture the whole thing that I wanted to. But you guys would have got an idea by seeing the intro. Also, the another part will come up in next video, so you'll get the whole idea about what all things I kept. And yeah, today was a long day. I had so much to do, but it is all done right now. I have not checked the footage, but everything is done for now. Now let's just see how the footage turns out to be, because if that doesn't turn out well, I'll have to redo everything, and I'm not ready to do that because it took me so much of time. And let's see. So that was all about today's long and hectic day. I hope you guys would have loved this video, and stay tuned. I have a lot more Diwalog videos coming on the way, and I hope you guys would love this too.